In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to a Turbotax agent. Whether you're navigating through tax season or just need some quick assistance, learning how to effectively contact Turbotax support can save you both time and frustration. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to efficiently reach a Turbotax representative and get the help you need. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Turbotax official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Turbotax URL, or simply searching for Turbotax in your search engine. Once you're on the main page, which is the hub for all their services and tools, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This site is designed to make tax filing as easy and straightforward as possible, so navigating through it should be a smooth process. Now, as you scroll down the homepage, keep an eye out for the Contact Us section. The Turbotax website is built to be user-friendly, but sometimes the contact page might not be immediately visible. By scrolling down, you ensure that you're discovering all your options and resources. When you locate the Contact Us link, give it a click. This will direct you to the page where you can find more tailored assistance options. On this page, you should see another Contact Us button. Clicking it will set you on the path to getting in direct contact with an agent. This page is vital as it offers numerous resources, guides and FAQs, all designed to help troubleshoot common concerns without needing to connect to an agent directly. However, if your issue requires personal assistance or is particularly complex, proceeding with contacting an agent is the best step forward. Interacting with a Turbotax agent can provide a more personalized touch and answer your questions in detail. Keep in mind that they might ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. Have your account information handy, such as your Turbotax username, email, or any other related details. This ensures the process moves smoothly and saves time on both ends. Remember, Turbotax is committed to providing excellent customer service, so don't hesitate to reach out. Their agents are trained to handle a wide array of inquiries, whether you're stuck during the filing process, needing help navigating features, or have specific tax-related questions. By following these steps, you can make sure that you're getting the precise help you need right when you need it. From initial navigation to the resources available, Turbotax support is there to make your experience as seamless as possible. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to contact a Turbotax agent effectively, and I hope this guide serves you well throughout your tax journey. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides in upcoming videos.